Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the breakout room feature in Zoom. Breakout rooms are a fantastic way to split large meetings into smaller groups for discussion or activities, making your sessions more interactive and engaging. So, let's get started. First of all, open a web browser and go to the Zoom website at zoom.com. Sign into your account and click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Meeting tab, and then look for the In-Meeting Advanced section. Here you will see an options for Breakout Room. Simply toggle the switch to enable it, and that's it. Now you will be able to use Breakout Rooms in your Zoom's meeting. Once enabled, during your meeting, you will have the option to create and manage breakout rooms, allowing participants to be divided into smaller groups. You can assign participants manually, automatically, or allow them to choose their own rooms. And that's it. Now you know how to enable breakout rooms in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.